You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing, and thanks to all my subscribers. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful pouch purse. So let's get into the detail of the video. Please do not skip the adverts that YouTube will be placing in between this video, because this is the only way I get a little token from this video I'm posting or I've posted. Okay, so please watch the advert. All right, so I'm organizing an 8 weeks training, bag training, whereby I'll be teaching you a lot of things, how to become a profitable bag maker. So if you're interested, you can the details is there. You can WhatsApp me on +234 80 365 88365 +234 80 365 88365. All right, so let's get into the detail of today's video. So the purse is without zipper. Okay, so um I'll be using this material. Okay, so this is a D and G material, and the material is thick. All right, so now I'll be using this D and G material. Is a leather material, very quality and thick. So, and the measurement is 8.5 inches by 13.5 inches, 8.5 by 13.5 inches. So you can convert it to centimeter, and then it will give you whatever you want to use it with by using this other side measure. Okay, so now the other things I'll be using is I'll be using this fancy. Okay, I'll be using this fancy, and then I'll be using these magnets. Okay, magnet hook. Okay, and I think those are the basic things I'll be needing for this. um So many people have really subscribed to it. So, and the training fee for the 8 weeks training is 10,000 naira. Okay, so you can convert that to dollars. If you want to pay in dollars, you can pay in dollars. So, all right. So after measurement, all right. So now the flap. Let's look at the flap. So the flap 4 inches. Okay, so let the flap be 4 inches. So you can use your pen to just Alright, so let me see. Is this one accurate? Yes. Okay. I think this is where 4 inches. Make sure you get 4 inches. Okay, so this is where my 4 inches is. Sorry. This one. Okay. So now the next thing I will do is I want to curve these out. I'll just give it a curve, a beautiful curve. Give it a smooth and a beautiful curve. So I can leave it this way, right? Or I can decide to, just the way I did this one, I cut it again. I gave it a little cut. So you can just, so let me give it a cut so that I'll do it exactly like that one. So you can mark 1.5 inch and cut. Okay, so and come to this side as well and cut one and measure 1.5. Just give it a V. So what I just want to do is to give it a V shape. Okay, so see what I have. All right, so now the next thing I will be doing is just to So I'm starting from this end. So I want to sew it round like this. Right. So the next thing is I'm going to be so the next thing is to fix my magnet. So this is how I want it, right? So I'll just fix it. So you can decide to use Velcro, okay? But in this one, I'm going to be using magnet hook. So look for a sharp something, and it shouldn't be too close to. So let me bring it up a bit. So I'm going to be, I'll punch this. So look for a puncher and punch, okay? I'm using the light one up, right? All right, so now I'll use this one to make a mark, okay? So this is how it's gonna be. So after you've made a mark, you also punch it. So I'll still use the flap or the cover. So it comes with it. If you're buying your magnet, it will be given to you, okay? So of course, you know you will not leave this like this. This is why you need to get all this fancy for decorating your bag, for covering, like to cover this. So just look for something and punch it. And all right, so far so good. This is what we have. You can see that our pulse is ready. So thank you so much for watching to the end. All right, thank you so much for watching. All right, so like I said, I'm about to organize an 8-week training or online training on Telegram platform. Okay, so and the training fee is 10,000 naira. If you're interested, you can WhatsApp me on 080 365 88365. So for those outside Nigeria, you can remember to add +234. That's our country code. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. All right, so this training is coming up in this June, second week of June. All right, so it was supposed to start first week of June, but because I want you to be a part of this training, this is why I'm extending it to the second week. So reach out to me pay into the account detail. Once you reach out to me on WhatsApp, I'll be giving you my bank account details so that you can make your transfer and then send me a confirmation code. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. And if you would like to suggest any video you would like me to make, you can make your suggestion in the description box. Do not forget to like the video by clicking the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe. Thank you so much. And after trying this out, you can go to my Facebook page titled Bag Makers World. Make your After you've made it, snap it and send it to that platform. Okay, so that platform is for all bag makers in the world. So thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.